welcome to Tableau Tutor channel. In this video, I am going to answer a question that I have received in the comment section. The question is how to create start date and end date parameter to show selected period and same period last month. Okay. For that, I have connected to sample superstore data source. I am going to drag order date to the rows and right click, choose exact date and then convert it to discrete. Now we need to write one calculation. First we have to create parameters. Click on this drop down, select create parameter, and I'm going to name the parameter as start date. Choose date as data type, and I'm going to set current value as the September 1st 2022 and then click OK. Now create another calculated field for end date, another parameter for end date. I'm going to name the parameter as end date. Choose date as data type and then current value, set it to September 30. Okay, so click OK, right click, show parameter control, right click on the end date, right click and then select show parameter. Okay, now let me write a calculation that filters the data to the selected period first. Create calculated field. I'm going to name the calculation as selected period. So order date, if order date is greater than or equal to the start date, and order date less than or equal to end date. So if this condition is satisfied, then we will get true for the records falling under start date and end date. And click OK. Drag this calculation to the rows. So if you can see, we have the data until 2022, so it should return true for the period starting from 1st September to the end of September, that is 30. So we will write one more calculation that returns the records for the same period last month. For example, we have selected 19 to 30, the same period for last month, which means 1st August to 30th August. So to compare, I am going to select just few days, 1 to 5. Okay, I am selecting end date as 5. So now the calculation returns true until 5th September. So I'm going to use the same calculation. Right click, duplicate, so edit and name the calculation selected period last month. Okay, so let's change the calculation. We are going to use a Dateadd function. So this Dateadd function, so you can add Dateadd function actually returns a new date based on the date part and date interval that you provide. For example, I am going to subtract 1 month from the selected start date parameter. For that, I have to provide month as the date part, comma. So since we need to subtract, I am going to provide -1 as the interval, comma, start date. Okay. Similarly, for the end date, Dateadd so date part as month, comma. So this date part is case sensitive. Make sure you are giving the lowercase -1 as we are going to subtract 1 month. Okay, and then click OK. Now if you drag this calculation next to the selected period in the rows, you can see it should return the true for August month, 1st to 5th. Okay, so 1st August to 5th August. So this is what we expected. So to get the sales, we can use this calculation. So right click, create calculated field. So just say selected sales if the condition selected period is true, then we need sales and then click end. So aggregation function, I'm going to add it as sum, then click OK. Sorry, edit, then is missing here. So duplicate, create another calculation for selected sales last month. So I'm going to change the condition selected period last month and then click OK. So for example, if you want to see by region, drag region and then drag selected sales, then selected sales last month to the view. So this is how you can compare the selected sales and selected same period last month. So for example, let me change the parameter values to see the output. So if I choose August 1st to August 2nd, 2 dates. So go to analysis, then select totals, so column grand totals. So it's 2086 for the selected period, August, 2 dates. Okay, let's see the value. I'm going to drag sales from August 1st to August 2nd. Actually there is no record present for the second, so it's returning 2086 itself, so which is correct, 2086. For the last month same period, that is July 1st to July 2nd. If we go and see the value, July 1st to July 2nd, it's 640 on first and second 169. So if you sum this value, it's around 809. So 809, which is correct. So I hope this calculation is helpful to you. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment under the comment section so that I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.